How's it going, everyone? This is the 47-inch folding table. It does come in several different color variations. I like this kind of darkish brown rustic one that I have here. Now, obviously, the number one reason why you'd want to get this table is because of the folding feature. So it does have these little pieces that fold right out, and it makes it very, very easy to store. I've had this for about 3 or 4 months now, and I love it. I can just set it up, use it for what I need, and then I can just put it away. And it's not like extremely light, but it's heavy enough to feel like good quality, and you know it is good quality once you open it up. So let's go ahead and pop it on open and test it out, and I'll show you how it works. So it's got these little legs that pop out, and they are spring loaded, so they do have some tension when you open it, but it then pops just like that, so you know that it's securely open. Pop just like that, and we'll go ahead and just put it right here, and we have it nice. So it is very, very secure. It does have a little adjustable pieces on the feet, so if it is tilting a little bit on one section, or if it's off angled on wherever you put it, you can adjust those little feet, and it's perfectly fine. But I absolutely love this folding table. Let's go ahead and fold it up again. To fold up the table, it's very, very simple. There's a little grab bar in the middle of the legs right here. If you can see that right here, you just kind of grab that up and it will swivel your legs down, and then you just gently close them. We'll go ahead and do it on this side right here. And we'll just grab that little bar, pull it up, and then the legs go right down, and then you're good. You can hold it by the little bar in the back right here as well to carry it if you want to, which is nice, or you just carry it just like that. But great table, absolutely love it. Super, super happy with my investment. So if you're on the fence about getting one of these, definitely a great investment.